In 2025, ChatGPT is a game-changing tool for generating income. With the right strategies, you can earn $25 in just 30 days. Offering freelance services is a quick way to make money with ChatGPT. The demand for AI-generated content is on the rise. Key services, content creation, social media management, email campaigns. By offering premium rates, you can generate $25 quickly. ChatGPT allows you to create digital products like ebooks, templates, and courses with high profit margins and minimal overhead. Digital products include ebooks, online courses, and templates. With proper marketing, these products can bring steady income. Affiliate marketing can generate income, and ChatGPT can help create persuasive content that drives sales. Choose profitable programs, create content, and drive traffic using SEO and ads. The right strategies can yield $25K. If you have expertise, offer coaching or consulting services and use ChatGPT for marketing and client communications. Define your niche and market your services through tailored content. Set premium pricing to meet your $25K goal. YouTube is a great platform for income generation. Use ChatGPT for video scripts, titles, and descriptions. Pick a profitable niche, create engaging videos, and monetize through ads and affiliate links for potential high earnings. Automation is key to scaling your business. Use ChatGPT to automate content creation and marketing tasks. By automating tasks, you can focus on growth and increase your earnings, making it easier to achieve your goals. Making $25K in 30 days with ChatGPT is achievable with the right strategies. Consistency and smart approaches are key.